So all your changes are available in this branch. So your pull request name also showing request 1. So your branch name also will be there. So how many people creates branches? All their branches will be shown here. Okay. Now I will create a file here. Somebody merged, for example. So one more tester. So this tester here so I'm directly modifying here. Okay. I'm modifying a one file, right? So I'll go to this location. I'll modify the file. Okay. So directly here in the Eclipse workspace, some other tester is working. Okay. So you are working in the documents, but means a different people. I'm just showing in the replication of different people are working. So I'll go and do some cleanup and some other files, maybe deleting all this. So I will clean up them. Okay. So this cleanup is done. All these Allure reports I'm cleaning up. I don't know how to push them. Okay. And then some other files changes also I'll do that. I'll go to screenshots also. I don't need all of them. So many screenshots are there. I'll clean up. I don't want to push them. So next, so logs also. We have log files. But these log files clean up log files also. So these are the files you modified. And also let me make some more changes. Okay, go to reports. Also we can clean up reports. All the reports we don't need, right? So I can clean up some of the reports. I'm deleting all of them. So then I'll make some more file changes. Okay, so under Java, so com, UA, open cart, utils, I'll make some changes. Okay, so let me make JavaScript utils. So I'm making some changes here. I'll just say simple comment I'm adding. Okay, so change it. Now I'm pushing that code. Okay, so if you see that, what are the changes happened? Git status, if you do, it will list out all the files, whatever you modified, deleted, all this, it will show. But what changes you are done also, it will show. Okay, so you can just go there. Changes you have done also, it will show. Screenshots and everything it is showing. I'll just do git add. Okay, just no, instead of one by one adding, I'll just do git add. Just simply git add I'll do. Okay, so after this, yeah, these are the changes, right? So these are the changes we made. I will add no git add. Just do git add. Okay, so git add dot. So dot means in this folder, what are all the changes you made? All will be added. You don't want all of them. You want to add one by one. Just add that file path. So git add I did. So git commit -m added comments and clean up the reports, screenshots, logs, whatever it is. Okay, I just added a proper comment. Now git push origin directly I made to main. Okay, generally they will create another branch, they will push. Okay, git push origin main. Okay, so these changes, see it rejected. Why? So why it is rejecting? There are some changes in the main branch. So there are some changes in the main branch. I didn't pull it. So we made changes so one more branch created and they pull right. They pushed that. But we don't have that changes here in my local. So first pull them. Git pull origin main. So you pull that. That's a pull difference. See, these are the files I modified, right? These came from some other branch to main branch, but those changes are not there in my local. So I pulled them now. So you pull it now. So git status you do. Git status, nothing to commit. So nothing to commit, your branch is ahead of. So 2 commits. Git push to publish your local commits. Now you do git do. So without, if no, you are not refreshing. I'm refreshing now my branch with a remote repository. So my local repository is not in sync with a remote repository. So those changes are not here. That is the reason it was throwing a push as rejected. Push as rejected. So that is the reason you have to pull first before doing anything. That's what it is showing. Git pull you do. So your changes, but you didn't have some of the changes already in the remote repository, in your local repository. So now I pulled it. Now I can do git push. So now the changes will move. See, now changes happened properly. These are the kind of, all the commands you need to remember them. Okay, so done. Now you go there and you can see that. So you refresh and you can see just now the changes, what are the changes happened. So it came. Logs also, it is not. And also reports also, you can see reports, what are the reports inside, I think, right? Commented out here somewhere, utils. See, added comments, clean up reports, all this. This is the comment 2 minutes ago. So this change has come. But this change is not there in your other, right? Here, in your documents here, this change is not there, right? How to get that? So you just need to do git, you check out to main branch first. Git checkout main. Git checkout main. Okay, so you checked out. Now you git pull, you do that. Git pull, you do. You're pulling all the changes. So whatever is there in the main. Then you check out to your branch. If you want to know your branches, these are the branches. How to check out to your branch? Git checkout. So this one. This is your branch. Copy and paste it. So if you want to create a new branch, you can create a new branch. Okay. If you want to create a new branch, you can create a new branch. No doubt. Now you git pull origin main branch, you're pulling into your branch. See all the changes. These are the changes happened that came into your branch also. All the main branch, whatever is now in sync with the main branch now. Now you can make changes and you can work on your branch. That's how to sync up your branch with the remote repository branch. So sometimes you will get a conflicts also. Same file, somebody modified, you also modified. This is the very important. How can you resolve merge conflicts? That's what they will ask. So let's replicate that scenario. 2 people are modifying same file. So I'll go to this, I'll modify the same file here. So this file I'll modify in the main branch, okay? Edit, somewhere edit this file. This method. Okay, so that just commit the changes. You can commit the changes. Just commit it. So commit directly to the main branch. I'm committing. Same you modify, same file you modify in your local. So I'm going here. Same file I'm modifying. Utils. You modify this file somewhere, okay? So I'll modify this file. Somewhere I'll modify, okay? Somewhere I'll modify. So I'll just add this. Okay, so same file I modified. Now so just add this git status you do. Git status, you just modified only this file. You just add this. Git add, paste it. So, but now you need to refresh with the main branch. Main branch, there are some changes. That changes you don't have here. That changes you don't have. You need to refresh. So you just do, so git checkout main. So I checked out to main and I'll do git pull. I'm pulling the remote repository changes to my branch. So it's still not, I'm just pulling. See, this is the one file modified. See, this is very clearly going to show you. Please commit your changes or stash them to before you merge it. Okay, so it is asking. So please, so git stash or anything you do, that's what they are saying. But okay, so it is already make changes. So then git checkout to your branch. Let me get a branch name. I didn't remember git branch. So we can do git checkout the branch. Okay. Now git pull origin main. See, now you will get a problem here. So your local changes to the following files would have been overwritten by merge. Please commit your changes or stash them. Let me commit. Git commit -m small change in utils file. Okay. Now you do git pull. So it should show for us merge conflicts, but it's not showing merge conflicts. So it is not showing merge conflicts. The same file, if you modify, you should get a merge conflicts. You're not getting. So maybe same place you have to modify. Then you will get it. The same file you have to modify. Maybe That time you will get a merge conflicts, but that's not replicating here now. Yeah, that's the how you can get a merge conflicts. Merge conflicts when it comes, so you have to open the file and you will get a head greater than symbols. You will get it. Let me show you that merge conflicts in somewhere. So that's a very important interview question. They will ask how you will resolve it. So the answer is open the file and make sure your changes and the remote repository changes, which one you want. So keep one change, remaining you delete it. So merge conflicts example. So you will get like this. Yeah. See, can you see here? You will get like this. So all this you will get. So this is the one. This is the, so can you see here? To see the beginning of merge conflict in your file, search the file for the conflict marker. This is the marker. Search for with this marker in your file. So when you open a file in your text editor, you will see the changes from the head or base branch after the line head. Next you will see, so this one, this which divides your changes from the changes in other branch, followed by this one, the branch name. So this is the your changes, and this is the master changes. So which one you want in both of them, keep one, remaining you delete it. Okay, so that's how to resolve merge conflicts. So then once you add a merge conflicts is resolved, you removed all of them, then you do git add that file, then git commit that file. So that's how you will resolve the merge conflicts. So this is the one of the famous interview question people are asking. So resolve, you write resolve merge conflicts by, so the some message, commit message properly. So this is the one best example for merge conflicts, how to identify and how to remove them. That's all about complete Git related. So please practice so that it will really help you. If you're not practicing all these Git commands, highly impossible. So then Git push. So then Git commit -m hide merge conflicts. So push the code. Git push origin. So your branch name, you give your branch name. So paste it. So this code will go there. Okay. So then you can generally you can, where is your branch? Yeah. So you can come here and you can pull request. You can raise a pull request. So your main branch isn't protected, but fine. So you can merge that, create a pull request and then merge this to main branch. Okay. So that's the how you can work with a Git. So Git is one of the very famous daily used topic. Any questions before ending?